path just goes on forever, supposedly.
There's no ending, supposedly.
Everybody's telling us there's no ending.
Well, either we'll find an end, or I'm gonna do some dumb shit. Like...
Balance beam. With the tunnel, you gotta go under.
Babe. Babe.
It's okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Daddy, in there?
Yep, Daddy's going in there.
Daddy,
No hands, it's a balance beam.
Daddy, in there? In there. Daddy, in there?
Oh, this is a big fat guy.
Keep going.
Can't go any further without getting knocked off by the trees here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a balance.
Daddy, get down. Oh, Daddy, in there?
Is that a Woody? You got a Woody? Yes, you do. You're excited to see us, aren't you, Mr. Tree?
Jack it off, homie.
It's a little rough. Shit, somebody had a bonfire out here in the middle of nowhere. Holy shit, that's a big old bonfire pit. My God, they burned the whole freaking tree. Awesome. Maybe they burned a witch at the stake and the stake fell over. That could be it, dude. Because that's a perfect stake. That's a perfect stake to tie somebody to and set them on fire. We burn them, burn them, burn them at the stake.
I think we're going to end up by the lake on the other side.
By the other side of the lake?
Yeah.
By where we parked?
No, like, kind of.
Oh, okay, further down where it wraps around the lake?
Yeah, like where we're going to end up in the doggy park.
We shall see where we end. Let's see if the midget's right. Whoa, more horse shit. Almost stepped in it. I gotta watch where I'm walking, not just through the camera. I think I might get hurt in a minute here. Yeah, I see something fun to play with. Or on. It's another seesaw. It's another seesaw. Oh shit. I might have some fun in a minute here, homie. King of the woods. That's me. But this one's teeter-tottering, I think. Yes, it does. It moves. If I can get on it. It's hard to balance when I'm looking through the camera. Oh, this one doesn't move. Well, I guess it does. Okay, that's no fun. Ugh. It looked like it would have been, but big ass turn in the road. But this looks like a quick bend. Oh yeah, because you can see it curve back around after it comes off. Yeah.
You're lucky, homie.
Why?
Because you don't have any other replacement clothes.
I know. Oh, you're gonna push me in some water and mud, huh?
Maybe.
Here he comes. Here comes Speed Racer. Go, Speed Racer, go! The people out here enjoying the day in the nature trails.
Beautiful day.
It is. It's really beautiful out here today. Getting all the energy from the sun makes me feel like trying something. Try to use my power. and teleport somewhere maybe. It's freaking beautiful out here. Man, I wish I could live out here, y'all. I wish I had some electricity out here. Alright, like I said, all the sunlights give me energy. I think I want to try to teleport somewhere and hide on them. Hey, you're gonna have to grab this camera after I teleport.
Oh shit! I fucked up my teleportation! I'm stuck in this tree! Well, that didn't work too well. Fuck!
Yeah, that kind of hurt. There's another path. Huh. But I think we should follow this one. Another fork in the road. Yeah, you know what? I think we turned around by this time last time we were here. Yeah, I think we stopped before this turn. So now we can see if it actually ends somewhere. An open field, man. See, look how beautiful. Oh, like zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, 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 yep. There goes Speed Racer again. Clearings a lot of places. Watch your step. Okay, now it's gonna go back into. It's gonna curve back this way. Man, I really wonder where this thing's headed. Here I go. Ooh, it's getting narrower. It's getting narrower. It's getting narrower and narrower and narrower. I don't know where I'm going. I'm way off track. I might as well turn around and head my ass back. Oh shit! I fell. Yeah, I fell again. If I can get up. Shit. And leapfrog. Oh look, water. Oh. Yeah. Perfect spot to piss. Going in the nature trail to do some nature. Yeah, he went in there.
It's right there.